Hello, today is day 24 of my water only fast with electrolytes, and this morning I weighed in at 93.9 kilograms or 207 pounds, and I'm feeling well. People asking me where did I start. So the first week I did ketosis and I started at 111.6 kilograms, which was 246.3 pounds. And then when I started a week later on my water only fast, I started at 108.1 kilograms, or I forgot what that was, 236 pounds or something. And so now I'm from the start of keto, I have now almost lost 18 kilograms, or it will be 39 pounds. So yeah, that was 24 days of water fasting. My blood glucose is good, my ketone levels are good, my blood pressure is good. I've been to the doctor, my blood levels are good. So I'm feeling well. Last 2 days has been more of a spiritual experience, I would say. Much more in tune with the universe and spiritual side, and just listening to the Holy Spirit, and it's been a good experience. I've enjoyed it actually, and I'm looking forward to day 25 and see how far I can take this. So I'm not on any challenge to take it as far as I need to. I will listen to my body and my spirit, and when the signal is there to stop the water fast, I will then start refeeding. And to prepare for that, I've actually gone to the butcher today, got some marrow bones, and I've put them into the slow cooker today to make bone broth, which I will freeze in the freezer to be ready when I break my fast. And I made a previous video on how to prepare for the ending of a fast. So this is day 24, moving on to day 25.